And Prime Minister Modi has described as landmark the decision to include retail and wholesale trade as micro, small and medium enterprises or MSMEs, which will allow traders the benefits of priority sector lending, and says that his government is committed to empowering the community. However, traders' concerns remain. Here's why.
Retailers and wholesalers will now be included in micro, small and medium enterprises category. The government claims that this move will benefit 2.5 crore traders. The new guidelines will enable retail and wholesale traders to take loans from banks under priority sector lending category, and they will now be eligible to get Mudra loans under PM Mudra Yojana. A landmark step, says the Prime Minister. The Confederation of All India Traders too has welcomed the move, but the concerns remain. Kuldeep Kumar, a wholesale trader in Pushpa market of South Delhi, says that debt-stricken retailers and wholesalers need urgent relief from the government in the form of tax rebates and not just more access to bank loans and credit.
आप इसमें लोन देंगे हमको, सस्ता लोन देंगे, पर लोन तो हमको चुकाना है, लोन में ब्याज भी हमको चुकाना है। कुछ डायरेक्ट रिलीफ दिया जाए, इनकम टैक्स में रिबेट दी जाए, बिजली के बिल कम किए जाएं।
For Rakesh Narang, a textile retailer in Delhi's Lajpat Nagar, the government move is welcome but not sufficient. He says much more needs to be done to revive the market.
कि सरकार को चाहिए कि जैसे हाउस टैक्स माफ कर देना चाहिए, बिजली का बिल 50% कर दे। इस एक बिजनेसमैन के साथ कई फैमिली जुड़ी हुई है, लड़के काम करते हैं, उनको पे नहीं मिली तो कहाँ से करेगा दुकान बिजनेसमैन।
The decision to provide MSME status to wholesale and retail sector is expected to increase the flow of credit into this critical sector. And while the wholesale and retail traders are appreciative of this decision, they expect more relief from the government after suffering losses for over 17 months during the pandemic. With colleague Himanshu Shekhar and camera person Mohammad Mursaleen, I'm Akshay Dongre for NDTV.